Guys, you hear this beast coming in? 2017 Dodge Charger, fully built, long tube headers, cam, E85. This sounds phenomenal. The Black Ghost, I'm gonna call it. You can hear this thing, it's a beast. It's very cold out here, guys. That's the only reason it's smoking. Give it gas. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 119. It's fully straight pipe, long tube headers, fully cam. Look at that cam. Woo! So good. All right, we're gonna change the tips. Tell us if the tips change the tone. So this is before. Here's the Black Ghost back now. We just finished it. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. It's all murdered out. I like it. I like the stance of it. It's nice. Long tube headers there and there. Then X-pipe. Then he had a mid-muffler delete done. Still has the valves in the middle, right there and right there, but they're deleted from the actuators that are on it. They deleted them. They kept them open. And then there's the rear mufflers. So we did a rear muffler delete and new carbon tips. And we told him about him hitting. He's going to cut the bumper a little bit more to make them fit right there and right there. Even got to take that off. There we go. That looks better. There it is. All murdered out. RT HEMI with cams, lifters, rods, everything. E85, tune, all that stuff. Very nice. Stay tuned, guys. And here's the part number on the carbon tips. You guys want them? There's the part number on them. All right, stay tuned. That chop anywhere, guys. Wow, that sounds so nice. Give it gas. It changed the sound. Wow. Here's sound decibels now. Go ahead. 150. It's probably louder than that. Watching us for a while. He's like, I gotta come here. We hooked him up. Wow. What you guys hear on the inside? Go. Let's see if he gives us a nice drive up. He's good, guys. He's good. Nothing happened. There he is over there. He's good. Man, that was a nice drive off, too. That is crazy. Hopefully he'll take it easy now. The Suburban. So much power. Woo! This sucker's got power for days, man. Literally. This is that marble, man. That's crazy. It is a beast. Yeah. Listen to that thing.